Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Keshwani. Today I will start what is the mechanism of the reaction in chemical kinetics and how we write the proposed mechanism of the chemical reaction. So basically what is the mechanism? Mechanism is a series of step reactions. It is a series of step reaction or elementary reaction, proposed for account of overall reaction. So this is the mechanism definition. So what is the definition of mechanism? It is the series of step reaction or elementary reaction proposed for account of overall reaction. किसी भी मल्टी स्टेप या किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन के लिए जो स्टेप रिएक्शन प्रोवाइड की जाती है, दैट स्टेप रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ दैट केमिकल रिएक्शन. टेक वन एग्जांपल टू डिस्क्राइब व्हाट इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द केमिकल रिएक्शन. टेक वन एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 1. Decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen pentoxide का decomposition. So that N2O5 gives out 4NO2 plus O2. So after decomposition, they produce the nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Experimentally, the rate of reaction is rate is equal to velocity constant या rate constant NO2 5 to power 1 means in अगर this reaction takes place in multi step, then in slow step reaction or in rate determining step, only one concentration term is used. Only one concentration term is used according to the experimental observation. So let's see what is the proposed mechanism. Proposed mechanism. Only one concentration term used. So firstly N2O5 gives out NO2 plus NO3. NO2 plus NO3. After that, NO3 react with N2O5, then it produces 3NO2 plus O2. So this is the proposed mechanism. How? Listen carefully. ये proposed mechanism है, ये theoretical concept है कि क्या बना होगा, कैसे reaction propose की गई होगी, ये सब सारी की सारी चीजें hypothetical हैं. ये 2 स्टेप में होने वाली प्रोसेस है. अब which one is the slow step? अगर आप इनमें से पूछा जाए कि कौन सी स्टेप स्लो स्टेप प्रोसेस होगी, तो अब आप देख रहे हैं कि रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप में N2O5 का ओनली 1 कंसंट्रेशन टर्म होना चाहिए. तो दिस इज द स्टेप 1 and this is the step 2. अगर इत्तेफाक से हमने इसको स्लो लिख दिया तो और इसे फास्ट लिख दिया तो स्लो स्टेप दैट इज द रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप, बट रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप में केवल और केवल N2O5 का कंसंट्रेशन टर्म यूज है। सो यहाँ पर तो दो टर्म यूज है, NO3 भी है, N2O5 भी है। सो दिस इज नॉट एक्चुअल स्लो स्टेप। So this is the slow step process and this is the fast step process. Actually जो मैग्नीशियम प्रपोज की जाती है which is also based on the experimental observations. In the lab how the reaction takes place it is also given by as a hypothetical. So this is the first example to describe the mechanism of the reaction. Now take the another example. Example number 2. Reaction of nitrogen dioxide plus fluorine gives out 2NO2F nitrogen fluoride. अगर हम रेट की बात करें तो rate of this reaction is equal to NO2 and F2. NO2 and F2. तो चीजों पर डिपेंड कर रहा है। तो what is the proposed mechanism? This is obtained by experimental. What is the proposed mechanism? Now the proposed mechanism is that NO2 plus F2 gives out NO2F plus fluorine. This fluorine is also reacted with fluorine and it produces NO2F. So आप इस एक्सपेरिमेंटल ऑब्जर्वेशन से देखें तो which one is the rate determining step? NO2 plus F2 because this is involved in the rate determining step because this is present in the rate of reaction. So this is the slow reaction and this is the fast reaction. Now the third example. Reaction of NO2 and carbon monoxide. NO2 plus carbon monoxide gives out NO plus CO2. Rate of this reaction is equal to K NO2 का whole twice. Means how the mechanism of this reaction is written. So the proposed mechanism of this reaction should be, अब आपको रिएक्शन में NO2 का दो कंसंट्रेशन टर्म होना चाहिए तो हमने लिख दिया NO2 plus NO2 gives out when these are react then it form NO3 plus NO, NO3 plus NO. Now NO3 is react with carbon monoxide. NO3 is react with carbon monoxide, then it form carbon dioxide plus NO2. NO2. तो which one is the, अगर हम इस रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करके देखें तो NO3 is cancelled out by NO3, NO2 is cancelled by NO2, then you got NO2 plus CO gives out CO2 plus NO. Means our proposed mechanism is exactly correct. And which one is the slow step process? The answer should be step number 1 is the slow step process, and this is the fast step process. Right? Now The fourth example or mechanism of chemical kinetics. Example number 4. That is the decomposition of hypochlorite. That is 3ClO minus gives out ClO3 minus plus Cl minus. Now, rate of reaction is equal to ClO minus to power 2. So means अगर जो भी मैग्नीशियम लिखी जाएगी उस मैग्नीशियम में क्लोरेट आयन सॉरी हाइपोक्लोराइट आयन का 2 कंसंट्रेशन टर्म होना मस्ट है. So now the proposed mechanism. ClO minus plus ClO minus, then it react, then it form ClO2 minus and produces chloride ion, right? This ClO2 minus is react with ClO minus hypochlorite ion, then it form ClO3 minus plus Cl minus. So which one is the slow step process? Step number 1 is the slow step process and this is the fast step process. So this is all about what is the mechanism of reaction and how we can write the mechanism of the given reaction. It is actually based on the experimental value. You cannot write of these reaction mechanism on hypothetical based. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. Please like this video, share this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.